morning guys. I'm Ron Morales, Senior International Property Specialist ng Robinsons Land Corporation, RLC Residences. For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung 2-bedroom unit ng Mira by RLC Residences located in Mirasol Street, Cubao, Quezon City. So pagpasok po, makikita natin, nandito yung ating dining area, nandito yung ating living area, and then nandito ang ating toilet and bathroom. So ito ang first bedroom, which is the master's bedroom. So compatible siya with double size bed or queen size bed. Floor to ceiling height natin, of course standard 2.7 meters to 2.8 meters. Then meron na tayong kasamang modular cabinet, sliding door siya with glass and your mirror. And then ito yung connected sa master's bedroom na toilet and bath. So pwede kang lumabas dito, going to your living area and then the dining area. So ito naman yung second bedroom. So ayan, ito for your kids or for other member of the family, dito mo siya makikita. So ayan. And then nandito yung kitchen. Meron ng modular cabinet sa taas. So ito yung ating kitchen countertop. Ito yung ating faucet. So ganito yung magiging setup. Nandito yung ating induction cooker. And then meron tayong range hood. So ito yung ating provision para sa refrigerator. Yan. Tapos meron din tayong shelves dito. So kasama na po yan. May ganyang setup na. So ngayon, nagtatanong sigurado ilan yung total square meters. Ito po, papakita ko sa inyo. So, ang total square meters is 53 square meters po for a 2-bedroom unit without balcony. So, meron din po kaming may balcony na unit. So, depende po yan sa mga buyers kung gusto nilang 2-bedroom without balcony or 2-bedroom with balcony. So, for this setup, ito po yung aming layout. So, 53 square meter unit po siya. So, yun lang. Bye!